Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is Fashion Farm. And on this channel, we talk about ladies' fashion, sewing, design, and styling. In today's video, I'll be sharing basic stitches every beginner should know, whether you sew by hand or with a sewing machine. These stitches are very important for neat and professional results. Let's get started. The first stitch is the straight stitch. This is the most common and most important stitch in sewing. It is used for joining fabrics, sewing seams, and making most outfits. As a beginner, this stitch will be your best friend. Next is the backstitch. The backstitch is a strong hand stitch. It is often used when you don't have access to a sewing machine. This stitch is perfect for areas that need strength, like seams and repairs. Another important stitch is the running stitch. This stitch is simple and easy. It is often used for temporary sewing, gathering fabric, or simple hand sewing. It is not very strong, but very useful. Let's talk about the zigzag stitch. This stitch is done with a sewing machine. It helps prevent fabric edges from fraying. It is also used on stretch fabrics and for decorative purposes. The next stitch is the overcasting stitch. This stitch is used to finish raw edges of fabric. It helps keep the fabric neat and prevents it from unraveling. If you don't have an overlock machine, a zigzag stitch can work as a replacement. Another useful stitch is the hemming stitch. This stitch is used to finish the bottom of skirts, dresses, trousers, and sleeves. A neat hem makes your outfit look clean and professional. Now let's talk about the slip stitch, also known as the invisible stitch. This stitch is used to close openings neatly. It is commonly used in hemming and lining so that stitches don't show on the outside. Next is the basting stitch. This is a long, loose stitch used temporarily. It helps hold fabric pieces together before final sewing. Basting stitches are removed after sewing is complete. For decoration, we have the top stitch. Top stitching is sewn on the outside of the garment. It adds strength and beauty to designs like necklines, seams, and edges. As a beginner, you don't need to master all stitches at once. Start with the straight stitch, running stitch, and zigzag stitch. With regular practice, the rest will become easier. Always practice your stitches on scrap fabric before sewing your main project. This helps you gain confidence and avoid mistakes. Good stitching makes a big difference in how your outfit looks. The more you practice, the better your sewing will become. That's it for today's video on basic stitches. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share. Drop a comment and tell me which stitch you want to learn better. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.